In this video, we'll show you how to create and manage promotions in the Masterpanel. From the dashboard, go to the sidebar and click Marketing, then select Promotion. Here, you can view all promotions and filter them by status or date. Click the plus button to create a new promotion or select an existing one to edit. Set the promotion title, start and end dates, and select the applicable sales channel. Next, add products by searching the product name or code, or by scanning the barcode. If you want to add multiple products at once, use Batch Import to apply discounts by category. You can choose which price to discount and set the rounding method if needed. All added products will appear in the list below, where you can review or remove items. Large and small price tag options are available for printing price labels. Once everything is ready, click Publish Promotion to make it active. Your promotion is now live and ready to use.